In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a website with images using Chatgpt. This process can be incredibly streamlined by leveraging the power of AI to help craft a visually appealing and functional website in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in and see how you can use Chatgpt to design a website that stands out. First, you'll want to open Chatgpt. If you're unfamiliar with how to access it, make sure to head over to the OpenAI platform, where you can easily find and start interacting with the Chatgpt interface. Once you're there, the next step is to create a new chat. This gives you a clean slate and the perfect starting point for your website design journey. Having a blank chat allows you to clearly define your objectives and prevent any confusion that might arise from previous interactions. Now comes the crucial part, starting with a clear website concept prompt. It's important to be specific here because the clearer your initial prompt, the better the output will be from Chatgpt. Think about what type of website you're aiming to create. Is it a personal blog, a portfolio, or perhaps an e-commerce site? Communicate this through your prompt to give Chatgpt a clear direction on where to start. Once your website layout is defined, you can elevate your design by asking Chatgpt to add visuals. These elements are what makes a website engaging and help users connect with your content. You might want to include images, graphics, or other visual elements that align with your theme and goals. Chatgpt can provide options and even suggest suitable images to complement your layout. After setting up the visuals, you can request Chatgpt to build complete code and images together. This is where Chatgpt really shines, combining the power of design with technical coding prowess. It will generate the necessary HTML and CSS to bring your layout and visuals together, presenting you with a cohesive design structure. As you receive the initial design, you'll likely have some ideas for customization and refinement. You can tell Chatgpt to make various changes, whether it's tweaking colors, altering layouts, or even adding new functionalities. This iterative process allows you to refine the design until it perfectly fits your vision. Once you're satisfied with your design, copy the HTML code. This will be the backbone of your website. Make sure to save it safely, as this step finalizes your design for deployment. You can now use this code on your preferred web hosting platform to launch your newly designed site. And there you have it. With Chatgpt, designing a website with images is not just quick, but also efficient and fun. Remember, while AI is a powerful tool, your creativity is what truly shapes the final product. Enjoy the process, and good luck with your new website.